What about the car? How does the air move around the car to make it a little cooler?
Well, the car is definitely going to be tested this year, but let's go into our NBC Sports animation provided by our friends at Black Helicopter. And let's talk about what happens to all the air. So all the air is taken in through the front. One single grill inlet in the center is basically feeding the engine, cooling the exhaust. It goes a lot of different areas. So the first place I think we need to talk about is a required cooling duct. It's on the left and the right side of the front. It ducts the air into that rocker area, basically just blows air over the exhaust. When you look at the side of the car, there's those cool looking little louvers. What are they? They're letting that fresh air back out. Just get some exhaust temperature out so it doesn't basically cook the driver, doesn't get too warm. Another interesting thing, air used to come in kind of at the base of the window to feed the throttle body. Now it goes in the same place the air does, right through the center. It's ducted up, goes into the throttle body. So that air can be shut off if you get too close to somebody behind you, can affect horsepower. And then I think the biggest concern this weekend is engine temperature, engine cooling. No tape is allowed to be added. The air goes in through the radiator, through the oil cooler, and the difference this year is instead of just dumping underneath the car, it vents up through the hood. You see those green streams come up through the hood. Those look a little different. Each manufacturer has a little different shape. And then the last area that I don't think we will see here at Nashville is brake cooling itself. A couple of holes they come in. They could cool both the caliper and the rotor. It gets vented out. And this is actually the only area, as we go back to the front of the car, that you're allowed to add tape. No tape can be added on that center duct, but the brake openings you are allowed to tape up or open tape as you run. So a little different look this year. Everything comes in through the front of the car.